How you doing, man? I'm Jay Man. You know what I mean? From the super machine, moving, grooving, you know. Trying to get it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get up, I get on up. Well, fuck all the bullshit. I'm creating the avenue and shit. I went to Popeyes Chicken, bought me some goddamn chicken. Here you go. Actually, I went to Kentucky Fried Chicken. I couldn't find them, motherfucker, because Kentucky Fried Chicken, they do the chicken, man. So I went to Popeyes. Popeyes. Smells so good. I'm gonna open up the goddamn box right now. Jump steak, caramel glazed and shit. Caramel glazed, I don't want that shit. A chicken wing. I want a Kentucky Fried Chicken. Dad, do the chicken, man. I don't want this shit. Fuck this shit, man. But anyway, I got a whole goddamn box of this shit. Popeye Chicken, I love Popeye Chicken, but I don't want that motherfucking shit, man. Throw that shit in the garbage. Best Kentucky Fried Chicken, they do the chicken, man. Pay that bill, good night, bitches.